The other day I posted a video, this pit video, which also you'll have to excuse my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather today. But let's talk curve on flat Earth perspective or real curve. And as I was, I'm going to mute this. But as I'm talking, I mean, it appears you could see curve. I mean, even in the video, but especially in real life, from side to side, left to right. I mean, just with looking with your eyes out into the horizon. I mean, I don't know if it's a figment of your imagination or what, but I mean, you can see it curve from left to right and right to left, so and so forth. So I made this video like, how do you explain that on flat Earth? If you believe in flat Earth. Um, I got a couple comments that say it's easier to tell curvature going away, where you go over the curve and the boat disappears, whatever. But this is just a observation that anyone can do without, any kind of telephoto, telescopes or anything like that. So anyway, what I did, I screen capped, various parts of the video and put them into AutoCAD. These magenta lines are perfectly parallel. They're exactly straight, flat. The pictures, the screen caps will vary. You can see they kind of curve, but basically it's because the camera was crooked or whatever. I have to align them with these magenta lines. And what I found was kind of surprising. As you can see, there is no curve. I mean, it's literally perfectly flat. And maybe somebody can help me out to say, roughly, I don't know how far the horizon is. What I forget. Somebody said 3 miles. I don't know if that's correct. Or what an estimate would be of from here to here. The camera is an S9 Plus. I don't know. People were asking me that in the last video. I don't know that it makes a difference, but maybe it does to some photographer people. So in this one, clearly, I mean, there is no curve, flat, flat, flat. Second picture might be an anomaly. I'm not really sure, but flat, 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 flat. But then you can see it kind of drop below the line, almost like a reverse curve. So I don't, maybe that was a something with the camera, the angle, whatever. But you can clearly see. I mean, there's a good distance between the magenta line and the horizon. So I don't know what that's all about, but anyway, some reverse curve going on there. The third is pretty much the same as the first. You can see it's a wider portion or sample, but I mean, it's not scientific, obviously, but I went to where it shaded into white, which basically was the edge of the water. There are some points where you can see kind of waves and some, things going up above the line, but for the most part, it's flat. So really, when you see people say, like, you can see the curve when you go to the beach, no, you really can't. Do you think you do? Because, I mean, I thought I did, but, this doesn't lie. This is about as precise as you can get as far as, I mean, this program is designed for precision. So, anyway, I just thought that was interesting because if I hear people say it all the time. Man, I went to the beach. You can see the curve. You can see the curve. Yeah, you can see a curve, but it's not actually a curve. I don't know what it is, if it's perspective or how you would explain it. It's definitely not curve, as you can see. And this, again, I don't know what this is. goes down in the middle. I have to say that's just an outlier, maybe a weird picture frame, or who knows, maybe somebody can explain what that phenomena is, because we don't live on inverted Earth. That's something I'm fairly certain of. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I do this crap from time to time. It's just interesting. And once again, I'll put the disclaimer in. I'm not flat Earth, globe Earth, whatever. I'm just asking questions. I like just asking questions and seeing what people say. So anyway, take care.